Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my English class. This is teacher Barnabe. Muraho neza, nugiye kubaha ikaze mu ishuri ryacu ry'icyongereza aho ushobora kwiga icyongereza neza kandi vuba ukakimenya neza mu buryo bwiza. So, today I have a good lesson for you, how you can construct a sentence using simple present tense. Iyo tuvuze simple present tense ni tense ivuga ibintu bibaho buri gihe, ibintu ukora buri gihe. Ujya ku kazi se, uraryama, urarya, ibyo ni ibintu ukora buri gihe, things that happen regularly or every day. So that tense is called simple present tense. Everyday tense is called simple present tense. Reka batangire. When you are making a simple present tense, we take subject and then we add verb without it to. We add verb without it to. Then we add object. Object ni nk'icyuzuzo. Subject, verb plus object. Ejo twize neza uburyo ushobora gukora interuro yuzuye ukoresheje subject, verb and even object. Twabonye subject zigiye zitandukanye. Twabonye subject like I, you, she, he, it, we, you, ndetse na they. They. I ivuga njyewe, you ikavuga wowe, she ikavuga wowe w'umukobwa, he ikavuga wowe w'umuhungu, hanyuma it igakora ku kintu cyangwa inyamaswa, we ikavuga twebwe benshi, you ikavuga mwebwe benshi, hanyuma they ikavuga bo bataranga. Izi subject umunani z'icyongereza dukoresha. These are the 8 subjects that we use in English. Then after subject we add verb. Verb without it. We have different verbs. For example, verb to write, we have verb to write, ivuga kwandika. Verb to go ivuga kujya ahantu. Verb to read ivuga gusoma. Verb to eat ivuga kurya. Mbese n'izindi verb zigiye zitandukanye. Dukoresha zino verb enye dukora interuro zo muri simple present tense cyangwa se dukoresha simple present tense. Then when we say simple present tense, we say subject plus verb without to. So if it is verb without to, we are going to remove all these two. So we are going to remove them. Then we add object cyangwa se icyuzuzo. Urugero, I write. I have removed two. I write books. Nandika ibitabo. I write books. You go to school. It is verb to go and I have removed the to. So I say you go to school. Wowe ujya ku ishuri. You go to school every day. Ujya ku ishuri buri munsi. You go to school every day. She ikora ku mukobwa nk'uko nabibabwiye. She ikora ku mukobwa. Hanyuma iyo verb iherwa n'inyajwi we add es. Hanyuma iyo verb iherwa n'ingombajwi we add only es. Niba utari uhari muri video yabanje, go in description uraza kwibona wige uburyo wakora interuro nziza kandi iboneye mu cyongereza. Hanyuma dukomeze. She goes to the market. She goes to the market every day. She goes to the market every day. She goes to the market every Mondays. Every Mondays. Buri wa mbere ajya ku isoko we w'umukobwa. She goes to the market every day. She goes to the market every Monday. Hanyuma no gusimbuza izina ry'umukobwa uvuga ngo Gogo goes to the market every day. Gogo ajya ku isoko, to the market ku isoko every day. Hanyuma he reads. Reka dukoreshe verb to read and we remove to because it is subject plus verb without it to tukongeraho object. So turavuga ngo he reads stories every Sunday. Asoma inkuru buri cyumweru. Bumva ari ibintu ahora akora ku cyumweru. He reads stories every day. Stories ni inkuru. He reads, we add s because ni kuri he. She na he na it kongeraho s iyo verb iherwa n'ingombajwi, hanyuma tukongeraho es iyo verb iherwa n'inyajwi like verb to go, verb to do also. Verb to do ivuga gukora. Verb to do ivuga gukora. Hanyuma dukomeze. Eat kora ku kintu cyangwa inyamaswa. Reka tuvuge it eats. It eats grasses. Irya ibyatsi. Iriya nyamaswa irya ibyatsi. So we add s kuri it kuko babwirwa n'ingombajwi. Please reka tunotinga ku kantu iryo tegeko somewhere. Then we play verb to play here. Verb to play ivuga gukina. Verb to play with r ivuga gusenga. Verb to play ivuga gukina, verb to play ivuga gusenga. So we play kadukoresha gukina. We play football. Sorry. We play football. We play football every weekend. Buri weekend dukina umupira w'amaguru. Verb to play. We kubera ko turi benshi. We play football every weekend. They ivuga bo batari aha ngaha, bo benshi ariko. Then they do homework. You nayo ni wowe noneho ariko mwebwe benshi. For example, you go to the market every day. Mwebwe, you go to the market every day. Ujya ku isoko buri munsi. Then they ivuga bo, bavuga ngo they do homework. Bakora umukoro. Homework ni umukoro every night. Buri joro bakora homework. Abanyeshuri. Ushobora no gusimbuza tukavuga abanyeshuri. Students do homework every night. Abanyeshuri bakora homework cyangwa se umukoro buri nijoro. Ubu ni uburyo bwiza kandi bwumvika ushobora kuba interuro muri simple present tense. Niba ukunze ino video please kora subscribe, hanyuma ushobora no kwandikira kuri 0